All right, for this question, we're given grams. Frankly, regardless of the rest of the question, I know I probably should find moles. What are the grams of barium hydroxide, which has that sneaky 2 again, so beware of that. You know what, let's start there. I'm not even gonna read the rest of the question. Grams of barium hydroxide equals moles of barium hydroxide times the molecular weight of barium hydroxide. Molecular weight of barium hydroxide. Barium is 137. And then I have 2 oxygens and 2 hydrogens. So plus 2 times 16 plus 2 times 1. We get a molecular weight of 171. 1.5 times 171, or sorry, divided by 171 gets me my moles of barium hydroxide, and I'm labeling what it's the moles of. It's 0.00877 or 88 if you want to round. Cool, I found the moles of my barium hydroxide. I'm gonna actually go back and finish reading the question now. We have a volume and we want the pH. Well, this is a base, so what I'm likely gonna be able to find before the pH is the pOH. But in order to find the pOH, I need to find the molarity of the OH. So we're gonna have to do 2 things here, and you can do it in any order you want. But I'm gonna have to take these moles and turn it into molarity using molarity equals moles over liters. And either before I do that or right after, I'm gonna have to go from talking about barium hydroxide to talking just about hydroxide, which is gonna mean a mole ratio. Either order is fine. I'm gonna start by first finding the molarity of my barium hydroxide. Moles of my barium hydroxide over the 8 liters. Again, this is my barium hydroxide, since that's what I had the moles of. I get 0.0011. My mole ratio here is 2/1 to get to hydroxide. We want hydroxide. It has a coefficient of 2. We have the barium hydroxide. So 0.002 is my concentration of my hydroxide. Going up top, I can find the pOH by taking negative log of the hydroxide, which gets me 2.67. 14 minus that will get me the pH. If you got to 2.67 and you thought you were done, remember that this is a base. So our answer for pH better be above 7. And here I am getting 11.34, and I'm done.